Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another high potential airdrop called Stable. So what do they offer? Stable is an institutional grade blockchain built for stable coins. It's designed for real world use with fast, reliable performance and compliance that global institutions and payment systems can trust. As you can see, they have already raised $28 million in funding and has potential airdrop status. If you look at their investors, you'll find top names like Hackventure, Bybit, KuCoin and more. If you visit their X profile right now, they have 86k followers. If you scroll down, you'll notice they share lots of information about their project and are active here, which is another positive sign. Before joining, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. So basically, you need to complete a few Galxe tasks to join this airdrop. I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you can find the link. First, you need to log into your Galxe account. Here, you need to complete any of the following tasks. If your X account is older than 1 month, it will automatically be completed. Here are a few easy tasks you need to complete. First, follow their X account. Click follow. Then go back, verify. And it's done. Next, like their post. Like the post. Go back, verify. And it's done. Next, you need to verify your Discord role. Accept the invite. Click on verify. Then click verify again. After that, solve the CAPTCHA. Click submit. And it's done. Go back, verify. And it's done. Next, you need to follow Stable on Galxe. And it's also done. Before claiming, you need to verify any of the tasks I mentioned earlier. Click to verify this one. And it's done. After completing all these tasks, you can claim 30 points. Click claim, then approve. And the tasks are complete. You can also find your referral link here and share it with your friends. That's it for this video. I'll give you all the updates, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.